Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can reset your cPanel account, so let's get right into it. Now, I myself don't have or own a cPanel account, so I'm going to be using this Namecheap article simply to enable you guys or to show you guys how you can reset your cPanel to the state where it was before or when you actually first purchased it and before you have done anything. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing, you may need to recover any of your files, so just first create a backup. If you know how to, you can just do that. If you don't, there is a guide which you can check out. And then after that, you're going to need to be deleting a lot of stuff. First, you're going to have to delete all your add-ons and subdomains. So just click on domains under the domains tab. Click on the remove domain button next to your add-on or sub or parked domain to remove everything. And once everything is deleted, then you can go ahead and delete your files. You can just go into your file manager. Once you log in, just go under the file section and click on the file manager. You can access home, then public HTML, and in the folder you'll see all of the folders which you have on your account, and you can select the unnecessary ones and then delete everything. Of course, the public HTML is the root folder of your main domain, which you need to delete to clear this folder, so keep that in mind. And then just click on select all above the listed directories and files, and once selected, just press delete, and you can check the notification to remove the unnecessary files and folders without moving them to trash, so keep that in mind. Then you just need to access your SMTP and just delete all your email accounts. Click on email accounts, then click the delete button, and that should be pretty much it. And you should delete all of the accounts, select everyone, then just click delete, and that should be it. Then delete your FTP accounts, go into the FTP menu, click the delete button next to all your FTP accounts, and that should be it. And then delete all your databases and associated users. Click on MySQL databases, then choose the delete database option. Scroll all the way down to view all your database users and click remove next to your users to remove them all. And after you're done with everything, you should be in the state where you were when you first purchased cPanel. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let's get and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.